and welcome to my page. I wanted to share with you what I got in the mail today from Mary Kay. So this is my box right here. Can't wait to show you what I got in today from Mary Kay. It's always exciting to get mail. I love getting mail. I can't tell you how much I like it, but I do. So this is how my order came. As you can see, all these. So let's get into it. Ooh, I got some Time-Wise samples. So any of you that are on my friends list or like my business that wants to try Mary Kay, this is some face, some skincare that you can get, and I can mail it out to you, and you can try it and let me know what you think about it. So I have this one, and this one is for combination to oily skin. And I should also have the other as well. Let's see. I'm digging in the box. I'm not even looking. Anyway, I got some other ones in there as well. So I got some samples. I also got another of this set in. This is part of our holiday products. So this is the Satin Hands collection. So you get a protectant softener in there. You get the awesome smelling pomegranate. This is hand soap. It's satin smooth. It's a shea scrub. This smells so good. I actually ordered myself a set of this. And you get the pomegranate satin hands lotion as well. So this actually protects your hands from getting dry, softens your hands. This is good to scrub your hands and then put this on, and this will re-moisturize your hands. So yeah, I have this set, which is $36 for anyone that is looking for an awesome gift to give someone. I also heard this is really good to give people that are going through chemo because they have dry skin and stuff, and with it being Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and it's also pink, this would be a nice gift to give someone that you knew that might be dealing with breast cancer. I got some catalogs. So these are the holiday catalogs. So I got some catalogs in. So anybody needs catalogs, let me know. I have some of the holiday ones. Oh, I found the other sample. And this is the normal to dry skin Time-Wise Miracle set. So, okay, what else do I got in here? Oh, I got some bags to help with my, aren't these really cute? I got some bags for my customers to put their products in. So, this month, or right now, Mary Kay has this going on, where if you, I am dropping everything, if you buy a mask, a face mask, you get a free headband as well. So I'm going to take my little ears off, which I got at Walmart. I thought they were very cute. I was very, very happy to get those. Not big on the cat ears, but I like those. So I'm really liking the headband. It's terry cloth. It's very soft. It has a Velcro closure. So what you do is you put it around like this, so you don't get your hair in your face cleanser, and then you do your face. It also would be good to put your makeup on with as well, because it would keep your hair out of the face. But I like it because it Velcros. So, and it also has Mary Kay on it. So, as I said, anyone that orders a face mask this month, or right now, will get one of these. So, I ordered this one. This is the Time-Wise Moisture Renew Gel Mask. This is not a peel off mask. It helps with, it's a super hydrating, anti-age fighting formula. It nourishes pampered skin while firming, smoothing, and redefining skin textures. So I look forward to using that. I've used the Timeline Miracle Set on my skin, and I noticed a great big difference, and this is the size of the container. You get 3 ounces in here. If you want to know more about this, message me. But as I said, I got a headband with it. Also in here, I got another one. This is for my son. This is the new charcoal mask. It's a deep cleaning charcoal mask. It's from Clearproof. So I'm very, very excited to see how that does it. He has some acne issues, and I think this might help. And he also uses the Clearproof acne treatments too as well. So this is just an add-on. And because I ordered another face mask, I got another headband. So he has a headband too. Or I have two. I haven't figured that out yet. I'm going to put my ears back on. If you can tell, they got little sparkles and little roses. So I really like that, little flowers. So let's see, what else is in my box? I have, oh, my foundation primer that I needed. So this you put on before you put your foundation on. It gives it a nice area to stick to, so it doesn't fall off or get dry and cracked. It keeps it moisture. It helps prevent sunburn because it has SPF 15 in it, so it has skincare in it. Decreases, because it decreases the risk of cancer on your skin. It gives you a flawless foundation base. So I look forward to using that. And let's see if there's anything else in here. And I believe the only thing left in here is my receipt. So that is what was in my Mary Kay box today. So I look forward to trying the face mask because they just look awesome. And anything that you can do during the winter months to rehydrate your skin and make it feel luxurious is always a must. I bought a few products that I can sell. I have catalogs and I have samples to send out if you want to try the Timewise skincare line. I look forward to being your consultant and servicing you in the future. I hope everyone has a great day.